We begin with the breaking news out of Japan overnight. A series of strong earthquakes in the Sea of Japan, prompting a tsunami warning along the nation's western and coastal regions. One quake reaching a magnitude of 7.6, grounding commercial flights and halting rail services for the affected area, blacking out power for tens of thousands of Japanese residents in the region. It is the first major warning from Japan's meteorological agency since the March 2011 earthquake caused the Fukushima nuclear disaster. I want to bring in NBC's foreign correspondent Megan Fitzgerald with the latest, and also NBC News meteorologist Michelle Grossman to help us understand the impact. Let's start with you on this New Year's Day, Megan. What have we learned in the few hours since that initial quake?
Well, first, Japanese officials have downgraded from a major tsunami warning to a tsunami warning for the Noto Peninsula, which is near the epicenter. Now, preliminary reports are that 7.6 magnitude earthquake hit near Ikasawa, which is about 140 miles east of Tokyo, which is including a series of other quakes that struck the region as well. Now, the quakes were felt on land across the region, even as far away as Tokyo. We're seeing new video coming in, capturing the moments when this quake hit, and you can see waves coming onto land, large signs inside a train station just shaking, people running for safety, store shelves rattling. We also know that dozens of homes have collapsed, structures have been damaged. Local officials are confirming that people are trapped beneath fallen rubble. Meteorologists are also warning that these waves could exceed 16 feet. Meanwhile, some 33,000 people are without power. We know that shelters are going up, providing people with needed supplies, warm blankets, and a warm place to stay. Francis.
And of course, the threat isn't over. There's the fear of aftershocks that could still happen. Megan, have we heard anything from officials about the state of Japan's nuclear facilities and the reactors there in the area?
Yeah, that's a great question. Government officials say nuclear plants in the area have not seen any irregularities. But that's an incredibly significant question because, as you'll recall, and as you mentioned, in 2011, Japan saw a 9.0 magnitude quake that triggered a tsunami, causing just this massive wave to crash into the Fukushima nuclear plant, causing a nuclear meltdown. So you can bet that officials are absolutely keeping a close eye on this.